They're penguins. Okay, the ducks are dressed as penguins.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my, is this a little Raiderette?
Yes.
Oh wow. Can you help Terrell?
Oh, how cute.
What's this doggy's name?
Chiquita.
Chiquita. Up here in this pink wig this early in the morning. This is Sweet Pea, the pug pirates. That is, oh my God, and they have a little chest with a little shit. And, oh my, how long did it take you to do this? Took you 2 days to make the pirate ship. Wow. Elvis is in the building. All right, do your thing. Nothing but a hound dog. Oh, he's singing. Wait a minute. Will we talk about put the mic here? All right, let's go. Tell us what their costumes are. They are a butterfly and a caterpillar. Oh, look at them. Let them walk the red carpet. Oh, let's give a hand. Oh, yeah, y'all. Look at Willow the pumpkin. Let's give Willow a hand. Oh, Willow's walking the red carpet nice and straight. Look at Willow. Willow's done this before. Sweet Pea the rocker. Look at Sweet Pea's pink wig. And her leopard skin little garments.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is
Oh, is Sweet Pea gonna break out in the dance? Look at her little hair. Oh. Sweet Pea with the pink hair and the leopard skin pants. I'm glad she didn't have on any thigh-high boots. Oh, and it didn't even come off. She shook her head and the wig didn't come off. That's a good view. Ballet booties. Oh, that has stayed on too. You guys are good. The Princess and the Wizard. Oh, and they even have their parrot. I missed this part. They have their parrot that's not saying a thing. Look at them. They're pirates. How cute. That is so cute. So I asked the owner how long did it take her to make this boat. She said 2 days. Another person with too much time on their hands. I got a lot of chores that I can dish out for you guys, okay? I'm talking about their owners who look more thrilled than the ducks. This is amazing. Does your family know you're here? Please, somebody Facebook this. Nobody's going to believe it if I tell them. So please, we need evidence. Mackenzie's a little dressed up too. So Mackenzie, when you go trick-or-treating, Boogie is a haunted house. But why do I get the feeling Allison had just as much fun dressing up as well? She and Boogie look awfully similar in their outfits here. That's cute. Boogie is a haunted house. And Boogie has a birthday coming up too. When did you say his birthday is, Allison? October 30th. So Boogie is starting his celebration early. Marilyn Monroe is in the house. Girls like it hot. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. She's working like the holiday. Marilyn Monroe is in the house. But does Sasha also have the baby carriage or the doggy carriage? Oh, okay. The stroller, yeah. Okay. You guys gonna have to school me on that one. I thought dogs were supposed to carry. Oh, cute. Oh, she's doing the red carpet too.
I'll have to show you next time.
Oh, all right. Let's give it up for Fairy. She's taking her photos. Jessica, the owners are Jessica and Cynthia with Cinnamon the Bumblebee. His tail is longer than the body. Wow. Oh, is she looking for earlier if they could help Terrell. I don't know. That's a friend of mine. He's a great guy. He's been studying hard, but he got to win. Wait, that's what they say. He's all over the place, just like the way we're in here. All right, let's give a hand for the red. Oh, okay. I'm weeping now. Oh, turn it that way so they can see. Oh, what collectively? Oh.
They're over here.
This is the dog's name is Adonis, and you said Adonis is 8 weeks old? 8 weeks old, first contest, 8 weeks, and Adonis, and it's a king today. Very creative. I asked him, where in the world did you get a crown that size? It was a Christmas ornament. A Christmas ornament. Let's give it up for the king.
This little baby.
Look at Princess. Princess is a cheerleader. College? Look at Princess.
Sorry.
Cheerleading school. Okay. Now, you know, that could be expensive. How many of you guys have young girls who are cheerleading? That's it. You can't have a scary fire, huh? Fire dog. Oh, she did. Callie did that red carpet perfectly. Little witches. Oh, they look too cute to be witches. They look too. Oh, wait, but I forgot to look at the owner. Okay, got it. Wow, you guys have way too much fun. Marvin the Martian? Huh? Marvin the Martian dog. I had to ask. Marvin weighs 110 pounds. Wow. She looks like a little bouquet. Anybody need a bouquet for their wedding? Oh, she's turning around like, what are you talking about? Sorry. Oh, she's looking for me. Okay, sorry. That is so cute. Okay, come on down. Oh, they walk. Oh, look at them doing that carpet.
Good. Okay, shoes.
I think they've had rehearsals.
Look up. Good job.
Oh, come on down, Dottie. Oh, look at Dottie can walk. Dottie walks well too. Malia the cat is Snow White. Snow White. And now Snow White is looking for her prince. Someone earlier said, good luck with that one. Snow White. Malia and Snow White. That is so Coco. Coco the cow. Oh my goodness. I thought she was holding a stuffed animal. Come on down, Hachi. There's always next season. Okay, well you tried.
Hachi, you ain't fooling with us. All right, Hachi. Yeah.
Hachi was like, oh, yay, Hachi. Oh, look at him.
Oh, baby.
Pinkwist, come on down with Pinkwist. Pinkwist is a oh, look at his little shoes. Look. Hi, Pinkwist. Come on down, Pinkwist.
Oh, you got something going?
She's doing the carpet pretty good themselves. Was this carpet out last night and people came and practiced? And Hugo is named Laker. But she said it's not for the Lakers because this is warrior country, dear. Okay. This is a hot dog. Come on down, Laker. It's a hot dog with a tie. Molly, the ballerina princess. Come on down, Molly. Molly's looking like, are you serious? I'm not doing, thank you. All these people? No. Thank you. Pick me up. Oh, she's waving now. What? Oh, I think that's a pose. Darth Vader. Oh, Tucker knows how to walk. Look at Tucker. Tucker is commanding the red carpet. carpet.